Okay guys, so here we are at the Bluerose shopping centre in Bluerose. This is an epic shop, my second ever place. You can see the shops: Primark, Boots, Poundland, New Look, Next, M&S, Debenhams, John Lewis and TK Maxx. This is the biggest shopping centre. As you can see, New Look and Primark. Yeah, let's do a lift tour there. So first to the lift that goes to the shopping level. These are chandeliers. Well, this is the lift at Bluerose shopping centre. Lift is going up. Go to 1. Door closed. The chandelier capacity 800 kilos. Boy 99. 199. I want these doors. Floor 1. Door opening. Lift is going down. Door closing. Here we are back at ground. These doors. The next lift we will go in is Boots, and it's a generic lift, which I want to show you. These are the lifts at Boots in Bluerose. Get a 1. Please mind the doors. Doors closed. These used to be an older lift, chandelier going up. Built-in floor, 1988, it was modernised. The Stanner in 2014. We can't go up to 2 because it's locked. We'll go down. Please mind the doors. Doors. Last year to get is 6 weekends, 8 closes, modernised 2014, going ground floor. We were back in G. Doors. Okay, the next shop. The lift in Poundland. These are the lifts at Poundland in Bluerose. Let's call it. I did get my parking pass ready. Because when it comes, it should land on. I'll do some shopping here. We'll just find some shops. Gonna go up to 1. It's a safe working lift. Get back down to take persons, I think. Just see how it looks like. And now into the next one. We got these 2 lifts. So this is the lift at Bluerose shopping centre in Bluerose. As you can see, that's not happening. Down, let's go to 2. Please mind the door. This be chandelier for 1999. Going in 2009. Capacity 40. 800 kilos, 10 persons. That's the Bluerose shopping centre logo. Going in the lift. And go back down to G. Please mind the door. This is a little night. Going down. Ground floor. Doors open. Bluerose Community Hub is actually the former of Debenhams, which was a chandelier, and now it has no lift anymore. Now it's lift at M&S Food Hall with the store guide. And I'm going to do a lift tour here. Here are two lifts. Here's one lift. Those are both Tyson cups. Oh, here it is.
Doors open.
We're going to go up to 1.
Going up. Please mind the doors.
Tyson cup plate.
Doors closing.
Capacity 2,000 kilos, range suspension 1,006. Look.
Doors open.
Yeah, how about it? So take. Okay, we are on.
Going down.
Go back down to LG.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Lower ground. We're back on lower ground.
Doors open.
And let's take a. So then these lifts weren't the busiest lifts in the world, in the city. I'm going to show you what other we can go to. But when we start one doing TK Max. Here we are in TK Max, and these are roads done to this is the lift TK Max and Bluerose. Let's go to 1 door. First one of the kids like that's beautiful. Look. Now to the lift in John Lewis. These are cone acre, this book. You can't call the lift from the ground floor because the lift call button's broken. So you need to call the lift up from the first floor. Lock the lift. So we're on the first floor now. And we'll go up to 2. The door. Cone fussy 8 persons, 6 breaker, and 12. We're at 2. Second floor. Doors on high car park. There's a floor guy over here. Go back. Doors down to 0. Okay, we're down. Going up. Just the button. And we are back at 0. Floors. Okay, we're going to the next lift. Now we'll go in the lift that's next. We got 1 man home. Now it's got a really loud voice. It's going to be a really loud lift. We're going to just look at it. Whichever lift picks us up is this one.
Doors opening.
Oh, not busy today. We'll go to 1. We'll go to 1.
Mind the doors, please.
See how loud it is. It's in Oakland. This is my first one, 2003. How loud it is. It was really noisy. Okay, we are at 1.
Doors opening.
Okay. Go to G.
Mind the doors, please.
This switch is really loud and noisy, and actually, the indicator was because someone had to take out the indicator. This is like, it was a fast lift. Okay, we are on ground.
Doors opening.
This is the loudest ever lift in UK. Now we'll go for the lifts at the multi-story car park. These are the lifts in the multi-story car park. Got this lift in Bluerose Shopping Centre. Please mind the doors. Doors. Please mind the doors. So, Jackson Street. Used to be singular lift. It was modernised as Jackson. Okay, we're stopping on G. Ground floor. No one on ground floor? No one. Please mind the door. Okay, we're just stopping on the ground floor. Modernised 2018. We're at floor 4. We're on 4. Okay, we're on the rooftop of the car park. This is the old. Let's go back. Let's go down to LG.
Doors
Door.
going down.
Look in the mirror as you see. Hey now. Lower ground floor. I think this was the original single. I want to show you the other lifts now. We're going in Bluerose, out from Bluerose Shopping Centre. And into the Iceland lift. This is the last lift. I think there's a Primark as well. I'm not sure. We'll go down to Primark. This is lifted Iceland in Bluerose. Good on. Go. Please mind the doors. Doors. Stomach capacity. Going. That is 524 and 7 Perkins. 12. Floor 1. That one. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closed. Going down. This has been old lift. It was modernised to standard. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up. Now let's go to the Primark. Primark. Just gonna lift to Primark in There's also one thing. And doors. Doors closing, doors closed. So kind of the process was supposed. This was where the old BHS was. It was in Evans. First. Doors open. Then go down to 0. Doors closed. So we're going that. Ding. And that's the end of the lift tour. There, we just finished our lift tour.